Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be evaluating an interesting expression. So I have 1 plus the square root of 5 over 5 to the power of 5. So I want to evaluate this. So what I'm first going to start by doing, just to make this a little more simpler, is I'm going to let the variable x equal to 1 plus the square root of 5 over 5. And this means that x to the power of 5 is equal to 1 plus the square root of 5 over 5 to the power of 5. So basically, x to the power of 5 is our expression. So now, going back to x equals 1 plus the square root of 5 over 5, let's simplify this. If I multiply both sides by 5, I get 5x is equal to 1 plus the square root of 5. And this means that 5x minus 1 is equal to the square root of 5. Now if I square both sides, I have 5x squared minus 2 times 5x times 1 plus 1 is equal to 5. Because a minus b squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So now this turns into 25x squared minus 10x plus 1 is equal to 5. Meaning 25x squared is equal to 10x plus 4. So this is our value of 25x squared. We just need to keep this in mind. Now, 25x squared is equal to 10x plus 4. What I'm going to do is square both sides. So now, 25 squared is 625, and x squared is x to the power of 4. And this is equal to 10x plus 4 squared is 10x squared plus 2 times 10x times 4 plus 4 squared. So I have 625 times x to the power of 4 is equal to 100x squared plus 80x plus 16. And I can rewrite this as 4 times 25x squared plus 80x plus 16. And now notice how all of these terms are divisible by 4. But what I'm going to do is factor out 4 from this. So I get 4 times 10x plus 4 plus 80x plus 16. So now this turns into 40x plus 16 plus 80x plus 16, which is equal to 120x plus 32. So 625x to the power of 4 is equal to 120x plus 32. So now from here, I'm going to multiply both sides by x. So now I get 625x to the power of 5 is equal to 120x squared plus 32x. And this is equal to 24 times 5x squared plus 32x. Now, I'm going to multiply both sides by 5. So now I have 3,125x to the power of 5 is equal to 24 times 25. I just multiplied the 5 with the 5, x squared plus 160x. 32 times 5 is 160x. Now, this is equal to 24 times 10x plus 4 plus 160x, which is equal to 240x plus 96 plus 160x. So now I have 3,125 x to the power of 5 is equal to 400x plus 96. Now recall how x is equal to 1 plus the square root of 5 over 5. So now I have 3,125 x to the power of 5 is equal to 400 times 1 plus the square root of 5 over 5 plus 96. Now these two cancel out and get 80. So now I have, this is equal to 80 plus 80 root 5 after I factor out the 80 plus 96, which is equal to 80 root 5 plus 176. So this means that x to the power of 5 is equal to 80 root 5 over 3,125 plus 176 over 3,125. And these two cancel out to get 16. So I have x to the power of 5 is equal to 16 root 5 over 625 plus 176 over 3,125. Now, remember how x is equal to 1 plus the square root of 5 over 5. Well, what we're evaluating for is 1 plus the square root of 5 over 5 to the power of 5, which is the value of x to the power of 5. Well, notice over here, that's exactly what we have. We have x to the power of 5, which is equal to 1 plus the square root of 5 over 5 to the power of 5. Meaning, this right here is our solution to this expression. This is the solution in its most simplified form.